Mastering non-defining relative clauses. The power of which. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video on English language learning. Today, we're going to delve into an essential component of English grammar. Non-defining relative clauses, specifically focusing on using which for things. By the end of this video, you will not only understand this concept better, but you'll also be well equipped to demonstrate your understanding through writing assignments. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, we need to grasp the concept of non-defining relative clauses. These are types of clauses that provide extra information about something mentioned in the sentence, without altering its meaning if removed. For example, consider the sentence, "The book, which is on the table, is mine." The part, which is on the table, is the non-defining relative clause. It provides extra information about the book but does not define what book it is. The word which is often used in non-defining relative clauses to refer to things. It serves as a link between the main part of the sentence and the extra information. For instance, my bicycle, which is red, is in the garage. Here, which is used to link the main idea, my bicycle is in the garage, with additional information, my bicycle is red. One of the best ways to show you've understood this concept is by creating your own sentences using non-defining relative clauses with which. For example, think about your favorite movie, food, or book, then add extra information about it. Something like, my favorite movie, which stars Ryan Reynolds, is Deadpool. Remember, the clause you add should be able to be removed without altering the main idea of your sentence. This practice will help you become comfortable using non-defining relative clauses in your daily conversations and writings. After you've written several sentences, it's time for self-evaluation. Ask yourself, does my sentence still make sense if I remove the non-defining clause? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. That wraps up our lesson on non-defining relative clauses with which. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more confident in your understanding and use of this critical English grammar concept. Don't forget to practice what you've learned through writing and self-evaluation. As always, keep learning and growing in your English language journey. Happy studying, everyone!